The drilling sequence for a CONELOG progressive-line implant, diameter 4.3 mm and length 13 mm. The round burr is used for punch marking the cortical bone, which simplifies the use of the drills to follow. In the process, the spherical tip of the round burr is lowered to the equator. The pilot drill determines the depth and axis of the implant site. The depth marks on the drill correspond to the implant lengths 7, 9, 11, and 13 millimeters. Once drilling is complete, the depth and axis of the implant bed is checked using the paralleling pins with depth marks. The further drillings are drilled with the form drills. The diameter of the implant bed is expanded progressively with a series of flex drills until the intended implant diameter is achieved. The small graduations in diameter achieve a gentle preparation of the bone. Form drilling 3.3 millimeters. Form drilling 3.8 millimeters. After defining the diameter size of the cavity, the profile drill flex needs to be applied to form the crestal part of the cavity. All CONELOG progressive-line implants come with a self-tapping thread. The implant is inserted manually or by machine into the coronal section of the implant bed using the insertion tool. When reaching the planned insertion depth, one of the three grooves should face in a vestibular direction because the angulation of the abutment starts from a groove. After successful checking of the implantation depth, as well as the position of the grooves, the insertion post can be separated from the implant by pulling the insertion post. Pick up the implant cover screw with the screwdriver hex and insert it into the CONELOG progressive-line implant manually controlled. The implant cover screw must only be tightened manually controlled using the hex screwdriver.